Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your balance and stability, these basic exercises are perfect for all fitness levels. From squats to lunges, these movements will help strengthen your core and improve your overall balance. Add these exercises to your routine to enhance your workout and challenge yourself in new ways. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. First, let's start with the basic exercise of standing on one leg on the balance pad. This simple exercise helps to engage your core muscles and improve stability. This exercise may seem simple, but it's a great way to challenge your stability and improve your overall balance. Start by placing one foot in the center of the balance pad. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and lift your other leg off the ground. Find your center of gravity and focus on staying balanced. Switch legs after so many seconds. Just a reminder to be in a corner for support. Feel the burn in your stabilizing muscles as you hold the position. You'll notice improvements in your balance and stability the more you do it. Next, try performing squats on the balance pad. This will not only work your leg muscles but also challenge your balance and coordination. Make sure to keep your movements slow and controlled. This simple yet effective exercise can help strengthen your legs, core, and improve your overall stability. To begin, stand on the balance pad with your feet hip-width apart. Engage your core and keep your chest up as you slowly bend your knees and lower down into a squat position. Make sure to keep your weight in your heels and push your hips back as you lower down. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, pause for a moment before pushing through your heels to return to the starting position. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled to really feel the burn. To add an extra challenge, you can hold onto a dumbbell or kettlebell while squatting on the balance pad. This will not only increase the intensity of the exercise but also improve your grip strength. Another great exercise is the plank on the balance pad. By holding a plank position on the unstable surface, you will engage your core even more to stay balanced. Start by placing your hands shoulder-width apart on the pad, with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position for as long as you can. Not only does planking on a balance pad strengthen your core, but it also improves your balance and stability. It's a great way to enhance your overall fitness routine. Remember to breathe and focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Challenge yourself by increasing the duration of your plank over time. Add this variation to your workout routine for a fun and effective way to strengthen your core. Master the plank on the balance pad and see the results for yourself. Lastly, try incorporating some lunges on the balance pad to work on your leg strength and balance at the same time. Remember to focus on your form and stability throughout the movement. Start by standing on the balance pad with one foot in front of the other. Engage your core and keep your back straight as you lower your back knee towards the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Remember to keep your balance and control throughout the movement. The balance pad adds an extra challenge to your lunges by requiring you to stabilize and engage more muscles. This helps improve your balance, coordination, and overall strength. Incorporate these balance pad lunges into your regular workout routine for a fun and effective way to target your lower body muscles. Purchase and get a balance pad, link in the description, and get ready to strengthen your body from the ground up with these essential exercises. You want to start with the same exercises from a steady surface and then graduate to the balance pad. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.